Hello, I'm in a 2015 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to use your parking brake. So right now the parking brake is engaged, and to release it you push this button, and if the button's sticking you want to pull up, so pull this way to finish locking it in place, and then it'll let you slide it down, and then just release, and now the parking brake is disengaged. And to activate it again, if you need to pull this button or not, but you pull this back up, and now it's engaged again when it's stuck in this upright position. But if you're having issues with this getting stuck, rather than forcing it down, you have to actually pull it further up before it'll let you go down. So up, button, down. Now disengaged, engaged, disengaged, engaged. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.